I think I am not that good at Korean, so I am frustrated.
Oh, I feel you. But learning language is just a journey, not a result. Yes, learning language needs progress, not results. Yes, it's just endless journey, endless progress. Yes. Do you think learning something is ended? No, it's not. Endless running. If you want to good at something, we need to run, but we don't know how much we need to actually run. So don't give up, just keep running, but enjoy the journey. Yes, it's your journey. Yes, you can enjoy. Yes, whether it's good or not, whether you are high level in Korean or not, you have a right to enjoy that. So I want to tell you this.